Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. So, I'm the next reporter. So, my topic is all about the mixing and application of body filler. Alright. So, let's swipe. Okay, in mixing and application body filler, we have safety guideline. Mostly in work areas. Okay? So, we have the safety goggles for protecting the eye, and dust mask or respiratory to protect our lungs, and long sleeve or apron, and latex glove. Okay? So, safety goggles, common dito nangyayari sa workshop when you sanding or nililiha mo yung ano ng vehicles. Alright, para yung dust niya hindi lumilipad sa mata. Same as well sa dust mask, you need to use a respiratory mask to protect your lungs. Okay, to protect your lungs, okay, sa ano ng dust ng pagliliya. And long sleeve or apron, pwede naman, optional kung gusto mong gumamit niyan, para ma-avoid mo yung gas-gas, kasi di talaga maiwasan na magasgas yung dents, magasgas yung vehicle natin dahil sa sinturon natin. Okay, or something na makakasira sa paint. Ang latex glove is nakadepende pa rin sa'yo kung saan ka komportable. Okay, pero sa mga professional, ginagamit nila tong latex glove. Okay, so next, work in a ventilated area. So as you can see, when you applying a body filler sa vehicle, dapat may ventilated area ka para hindi ka ma-suffocate while nagtatrabaho ka doon. Okay, may proper flow of hangin. Okay, that's all. So the next is handle materials properly. Okay, ito yung pinaka-importante pag nasa workshop ka. Keep filler away and hardener away from fire or heat. Kasi yung hardener and filler, may mga chemical compound kasi yan siya. Pag ilalagay mo kasi siya sa mainit, parang ma-adapt niya yung init. Baka yan kasi yung cause ng pag-fire or pagsunog dahil may mga chemical kasi yan siya. Okay? So, next, materials and tools. So, as you can see, pag ikaw po ay nagkakandak ng painting, dapat ito yung mga necessary. Ito yung mga needed tools. Okay? Para makapag-paint ka. Number 1, we have the body filler. Alright? And second, cream hardener. And third, mixing board. Mixing board, alam nga naman, kamay-kamay ka mag-mix, di ba? So, need din ng mixing board. Okay, and the last one is masking tape and paper. Masking tape, ito yung sa mga edges, sa mga dulo-dulo ng like window, yung sa edge niya, ilagay mo doon. Tapos yung paper, syempre pag mag-spray ka, dapat nakatakip yung mga headlight, mga emblem ng sasakyan, or ng mga windshield, or mga ganun dapat. Alright? So, lahat naman to yung mga materials and tools is necessary talaga yan when you conducting a magliliha ka. Okay? Okay, next. So, here we go again. Step-by-step procedure. Alright. So, surface preparation. Sand or grind the damaged area to remove paint, rust, and dirt. Okay, sa surface preparation, dapat may objective ka. Okay, kung saan yung may mga damage, doon mo i-grind. Okay? Para malinis or para ma-remove yung paint or yung kalawang at dirt. dumikit ang body filler. Alright? So, next, wipe clean with dry cloth to remove dust. Oo, ito naman siya dito. Need mo siyang linisan para kung mag-apply ka ng body filler, didikit agad siya, parang hindi siya agad na matatanggal. Okay? Mas lalo na pagbasa yung area or yung surface ng vehicle, dapat linisan mo. Right? Good. Understood? Alright. Mixing the body filler. Ito na tayo. Scoop an adequate amount of filler onto the mixing board. So, dapat kung magmi-mix ka ng body filler, dapat saktong amount lang ng filler papunta doon sa mixing board, yung kumbaga yung paleta. Alright? So, add the correct ratio. Yung correct ratio is 1:1. Yan ba yung naalala ko nung nireport ni Rashid? So, P-size hardener per gulp. So, ito nga, kada size ng gulp is maliit lang na amount ng hardener dapat ilagay. Okay? Kasi pag sumobra kasi yan, tsaka kumulang, hindi sakto yung color ng ng pagmi-mix mo. Kumbaga, immature siya. Oo. So, next, use the spreader to fold and smear until the color is uniform. Okay, as I said earlier, dapat nang may paleta ka para i-mix natin. Hindi lang yung pwede ba yung kamay mo i-mix? Siyempre hindi naman, dapat may proper tools yan siya. So doon natin i-mix until makuha natin yung perfect combination ng color. Pag nakuha na natin perfect combination ng color, pwede na natin i-apply sa surface ng vehicle kung saan yung may damage or dent. Alright? All good. Next. Okay. Applying the body filler. Use spreader to apply the mixture over dent. Ayun, as I said, yung paleta is siya yung spreader. Okay, so mixture. Pagkatapos mong i-mix, ay apply mo na kung saan yung mga dent or yung mga gas-gas. I-apply mo na dun. Sabi nga dito, press firmly to remove trapped air. Dapat yung pag-press mo is katamtaman lang. Huwag masyadong diinan. Huwag masyadong gaanan. Okay? Dapat saktong pressure lang para yung purpose kasi nun is mawala yung hangin. Right? Iganan mo lang siya, dandahan lang until makuha yung perfect na surface. Alright? Understood? Okay. Next. Alright, so that's all my topic all about the application of body filler. So if you have any questions and clarification about my topic, please comment down below so I can able to answer that your questions. Alright, God bless us all. Mabuhay. That's all.